Hello! In this activity, we're going to separate particles with different charges. Radioactive materials can emit alpha particles that are positively charged with 2 units of charge and a relatively large mass. Beta particles that are negatively charged with 1 unit of charge and a relatively small mass. Also, gamma rays that are uncharged. Let's click Clear and try to produce tracks that show how these 3 emissions would be separated by the same magnetic field if the false assumption was made that all 3 types were emitted with the same velocity by a radioactive isotope. First of all, let's model an alpha particle. We're going to apply a magnetic field of 1. They are positively charged with 2 units and they are relatively large. So we're going to move the mass slider to the highest point of 4. And now let's click play in order to see how the alpha particles will be projected. Stop and reset. Now let's model beta particles that are negatively charged with 1 unit of charge, which is -1, and they relatively have a small mass. Let's put it at 1 and let's click play. Let's see the track of the beta particles. So they move opposite to the alpha particles. And stop, reset. Now let's model gamma rays. They are uncharged. 0 charge. Let's click play to see how the gamma rays would move. So we have seen how the alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma particles can be separated with the help of a magnetic field. That's all. Thanks for watching.